Hi, Stinky. What you got going on there? What you got going on? That is some exciting stuff. I know. I know. How are your feet? How are your feet? Pretty good, huh? Yeah. That is one H-E double hockey sticks of a chair, huh? Yeah. Sure is. Dun, 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 dun. I am becoming very familiar with this song. Pulling yourself up? Hi, Dolly. Hi, Dolly. How are your feet? Are they pretty good? Pretty good, huh? Let me see my Dolly. Hello. Where are your little feet? Oh, where are your big feet? Who else we got around here? Sasha. She's just sad. Always sad. Okay, bye, Dolly. Say bye. Say bye. We'll see you later. Ready for my close-up. Okay, bye. Bye, Dolly. I'm not watching where I'm filming. I'm watching you. See you later.